All right, now we're gonna do lesson 4 in our geography chapter. Okay, California's regions. Okay, and then look, see where it says region that's highlighted? That's important. Okay, a region is an area with at least one feature that makes it different from other areas. And we're gonna figure out, and we're gonna see how many regions are in California and what kind. Okay, so we're gonna go to this page right here. We did 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna work on this page right here, and then these 3 pages we're gonna do tomorrow. Okay. So in your social studies packet, we finished page 1, we finished page 2. Okay, I know it says page 5, but it's actually it's labeled already. Okay, we did page 3. Now we're going to do page 4 today. Okay, 5, 6, and 7 we'll do tomorrow. So first, this is part of lesson 4. You see that? Here at the bottom it says lesson 4, so let's read that. It says lesson 4, California's regions. So now we're in the textbook. Geographers who study Earth often divide countries and states into regions. A region is an area with at least one feature that makes it different from other areas. Well, let's see which ones. One way to divide the regions. One way to divide the United States is into 5 regions: the Northeast, okay, the Southeast, the Middle West, the Southwest, and the West. States in each region may have a similar climate and other similar features. California is a state in the West. If you look at a map, here's California right here. Okay, this is the eastern part of the United States. California is all the way in the west. Okay, so these states right here, by the way, I can name them without even looking at the name: Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada. I believe this is Utah. Colorado. No, this is Colorado. Wyoming is up here. Idaho and Montana is right there. Those are all the west. Southwest are these 4 states right here at the bottom. Okay, Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Arizona. All right. So, okay, the middle west obviously is in the middle of the United States, right? The southeast, okay, that's where Florida is. The northeast is where New York would be, right here. All right, so that's all the text in that page, right? Okay, let's go to the next page. It says California can be divided into 4 regions. Even within our state, there's 4 regions. Okay, there are the coast region because it's along the coast by the beach, right? The Central Valley region, the mountain region, and the desert region. So just by the names alone, which region do you think we live in? I said it yesterday. The Valley region, yes, because we're in the San Joaquin Valley. Okay, because we don't live by the ocean, do we? No, and we're not in the mountains. Okay, so this right here, this is what the uh, coast region will look like. This is the valley region. This is the mountain region. This is the desert region. Okay, let me minimize this so you can see. So look at the map. Plus, here's a map legend, a key. All the green is what region? Coast. All the purple, mountains. Okay. All the bright orange, the desert. Now there's a lighter orange. Okay. What's that? Like a yellow valley. And and did you notice that the valley? What's on either side? Mountains. So a valley has mountains on either side. Okay. And we're right in the middle. All right. Now, I told you sometimes the maps have the cities that we know of, right? Look, Fresno. Fresno, not San Francisco. San Francisco is up here. All right. Awesome. All right. Go to this page right here. It says the coast and Central Valley regions. California's coast region touches the border of Oregon in the north and it reaches Mexico in the south. All along the western side is the Pacific Ocean. The Central Valley region is in the middle of the state. Many of California's largest farms are in this region. Its soil is very rich and farmers grow many kinds of crops. Hello, ever been shopping before? Look at all the awesome stuff that you have. Thank you to all the farmers. Okay. So here's the Central Valley region. Obviously, this is a coast region because look, what do you see? The ocean. All right. And then mountain and desert regions. The mountain region is made up of California's ranges. These include Cascade Range, the Sierra Nevada, and the Coast Ranges. The desert region includes Death Valley, the lowest point in the Western Hemisphere. All right. Other deserts in the region are the Sonoran Desert, the Mojave Desert, and the Colorado Desert. And you can see all of these right here. Here's Death Valley. Mojave Desert is right here. Colorado Desert is here. Okay. Right. Some mountains and plateaus are also in this region. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Here's what the desert would look like, and here's what the mountain would look like. Okay, now let's talk about people and regions. Today, most of the coast region has a large population or number of people. Okay, it has more cities and people than any other region in the state. I guess people like to be by the ocean. The physical features of the region, the weather, the ocean, and the beaches have caused many people to move to its urban and suburban areas. An urban area is a city. The smaller communities near the cities are suburban areas. Most Californians live in the suburban areas around Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco. The next most populated region is the Central Valley region. That's where we live. Most of California's farmers and many of its cities can be found in this region. Okay. All right. And then lastly, some of the Central Valley region is rural. Rural. A rural area has fields, woods, farms, and small towns. Is that us? Yes, it is. We're surrounded by farmers. Okay. It has far fewer people than urban and suburban areas have. The mountain region and the desert region have the fewest people. Large parts of these regions have no people at all. All right. Go to this page, page 4. We have to look at the map to solve the questions. Okay, so let's do this together. It says which region touches the border of Oregon? So you notice here's Oregon, right? Yes? What's this region right here that's touching it? Probably be better if I went and did this. Let's go back to the map. Let me see the map. Oh, let's go back to the map right here. Perfect. I think it's this map right here that they have. So what's this region that touches Oregon? Okay, is that one of them? No, it's not one of them. What's another region that touches Oregon? See this little section right here? Yes, I thought there was a better map. There we go. Here's a better map. Yeah, see, coast region is this little section right here. Okay. This is also the mountain region, but that's not one of our choices, so it's the coast region. Right there. Coast region. In which part of California is the desert region? Southeast. So if I go back, right? Southeast right here in this area. Let me look at a better, here's a better map. See? Southeast right here. So that would be it right here, southeast. Okay, and which region does the San Andreas Fault run through? Oh, which region does the San Andreas Fault not run through? So the San Andreas Fault is at that dashed line. You see that? See this line right here? The dashed line, that's the San Andreas Fault. Which region does it not go through? Central Valley region. Okay. Which city is in California's coastal region? San Diego, look, because it's right here. Right there. It's right against the coast. Then it says, which city is in California's desert region? Right here, look, Palm Springs. Okay. San Francisco is in the coast. And I think Eureka is in the mountain one. Let's see. Oh, Eureka is also in the coast too. See, here's the Pacific Ocean. Eureka's right here. By the way, trivia answer, Eureka means I found it.